There is a lot of advice on what to say and how to respond to questions in the ISB interviews. However, even the best interview preparation can be undone by one wrong comment. In this video, we discuss a few things one should not say during the ISB interview. Candidates often subconsciously narrate negative incidents about their educational and professional experiences. This could be lack of intellectually stimulating environment in college, an overbearing supervisor in your current job, or monotonous work. While such instances certainly can be a reality for candidates, such experiences just do not leave a good taste in the interview. Candidates should avoid mentioning lack of opportunities for professional growth in their current job or less salary that they are currently drawing as motivations for MBA. This does not come across as a forward-looking statement and makes it seem as if your decision to pursue MBA is an afterthought. During the interview, candidates should articulate their future goals and how an MBA would enable them to achieve those goals. At the time of drafting the essays as part of the ISB application, candidates should take care to articulate goals that are pertinent to their educational and professional experiences. Once the candidates submit their application, these goals are effectively set in stone. Interview is not an opportunity to refine or change the goals that have been mentioned in the application. During the interview, the candidates should defend the goals already mentioned in the application, not change them. A few candidates end up over-preparing by memorizing the responses word on word. Consequently, in the actual interview, the responses from the candidates come across as very rehearsed and mechanical. This takes away the entire spontaneity and reduces the interview to a formulaic exercise. Candidates obviously want the interview to be perfect. But what if the interview is not progressing the way you had hoped for? Many candidates think that not being able to answer a few questions in the interview is a death knell for their chances of getting into ISB. Consequently, they feel completely demotivated and just give up midway through the interview. This is an incorrect mindset. Have made so much effort to reach the interview stage. Make sure you give your very best until the very end. Your biggest weakness is a common behavioral question that may be asked during the interview. While one should be quite candid and state a genuine weakness, candidates should avoid mentioning weaknesses such as integrity issues or lack of self-confidence or lack of self-esteem. These weaknesses come across as very drastic and the interviewers may find them unpalatable. We wish you good luck and hope that your ISB dream becomes your future.